top 3 things that someone should think about when just getting started? They haven't even recorded their first Instagram story. What are the top 3 things someone should think about?
When it comes to content, you need to first start with, what do you want to teach people? And it needs to be something that you know something about. You don't want to fake it. You want to actually set yourself up as an expert in an industry or, an area of information that you know something about. So start with that. And you're going to be much more confident talking about things that you know something about. When it comes to the big mistakes people make is they talk too long, or they try to introduce themselves way too long and too often. I never introduce myself. I figure if I can't get your attention so that you want to go see who I am, you're not going to watch my video anyway. And they don't look at the camera, and they try to talk to the masses instead of talking to one person. I tell people, think of the camera as your best friend, and you're just FaceTiming, and you're telling them something that you're excited about because you know it's going to change and help them in some way.
Wow. So that was like probably 10 tips in 60 seconds. So that is fantastic. That is fantastic. And I think that is definitely one of the biggest mistakes people make, is spending the first, let's say, quarter of their video just trying to say, hey, how you doing? I'm Mark. It's nice to see you. This is what I do. And so I think this is something that you can really focus on with your actual profile. You don't need to introduce yourself. You need to capture someone's attention quickly, because let's face it, in an age of social media, you do not have much time. So capture the attention and then let your profile do the introduction, the explanation about you. I think that's the way that I look. Thanks for watching Mark SAVANT Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark SAVANT Media.